guys, and welcome to the vlog.
I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time I'd stay for a long time, cause I like me better when...
Happy Friday, you guys. Oh my god, Friday. Guys, we came to Burlington because my little Sophie has been so into slime lately, and she does have a YouTube channel, so why not do what she loves doing, you know? So we came in here because they have a whole bunch of slime stuff, but these are exactly not the ones I'm looking for. I'm looking for the video she already did, but like different stuff of it, and I can't find them here. They have so much stuff, so much cute stuff here in Burlington. I always tell you guys to check out your Burlington because seriously, there's so much cute stuff. Like, I'm gonna show you guys. Steph, te voy a por la baby. Like, they have a whole bunch of Funkos, and they're always at an affordable price too. And they have a whole bunch of slime. Stephen's so into these little cars. Look, he already grabbed all of these. All these cute little things. So much cute stuff. This little boy. Sadly, didn't have nothing I was looking for, but I did find some socks for Sophie because little girl needs more new socks. Stephen is so happy when he sees babies. Real babies and doll babies. I love the wall decor. Whenever I have a space, guys, that has enough walls. Whew. Be careful. Oh my god, it's 21. I don't think that's that bad. It looks so pretty. I love it. There's so much. I was just telling you, there's so many things on clearance.
Enséñale cuál es rojo.
Ay, Marifer.
¿Cuál es rojo? ¿Cuál es rojo?
De.
Muy bien. ¿Y el verde?
De.
Muy bien.
Am I polar?
Come on to another store, and I found this, but I'm not sure exactly what it is. So we shall see. This might be it. Nope. 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 There's no slime stuff here. Ooh, there's some of this. Let's see what this is. Slime shaker kit. It says mix water, glitter, shake, own style. I'm a surprise. This looks interesting, but I'm not sure what it is. What's this? He still gets surprised with this, but his go-to literally is superheroes and dinosaurs. A little tricky. So supposedly this store is cheaper. So let's see how much is this ball. It's a water surprise, and it is $12.99. I wouldn't know. I wouldn't know that's a good price for $12.99. I really wouldn't. So I came to look for slime to the DD's discounts. Burlington, TJ Maxx. Guys, my last vlog from when we were downtown, I kept saying TJ Maxx. If you guys saw that, I'm so sorry. It's TJ Maxx. But anyways, you guys, I came in here because I know they are cheaper in like TJ Maxx and Burlington or Ross. And Ross has been by far the cheapest that I found because I found some here. Well, then again, it's not the same. But this one's for $8.99 and it's already done. So the point is that Sophie wants to make her own. This one is $9.99, which is pretty, I feel like it's okay, but you know, we want to buy a couple, so she can make a couple of videos. And then there's this one, and this one I was like, yes, if it's like $10, oh my god, yes. And it's 20. Then again, that's probably not bad, but you guys know. But yeah, you guys should definitely check out her channel because she has been doing so many slime videos. I need to edit like already like 5 videos, you guys, because that girl is in love with slime. She loves making. Every time she comes back from school, she does homework and like reads a bit, and then she's like, Mom, I'm done, can we do some slime? And I'm like, yes, let's get everything ready. Third store looking for slime.
Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh.
Oh my gosh, Nene.
Ma, no, I'm my boy. Oh.
Oh, Ah, nene. ¿Qué, papi? ¿Qué, mi amor? ¿Qué pasó? Ajá. There's nothing in this one either. No. No, this is kitchen stuff. Kitchen stuff. Store number. Don't think we're going to so many stores, but they're all kind of in the area, so that's a good thing. Have my little man with me. Vente, vamos a tratar de buscar slime. One day, we shall make it happen. Imagine these like a nightstand. Oof, so nice. Oh my gosh. Nada home decor. No, para allá hay más. Mira, vamos a ver los que están allá. Slime, slime. These are the ones. I'm gonna get her for sure one of these. Look at these. I'm gonna get her for sure this one. Not bad. Monday? Always, always. TJ Maxx knows what's going on because they have a whole bunch. They have this one also. Okay, let's see how much it is. $7.99, that's not bad. Includes everything you need to make holographic, glossy, and pearlescent. Ooh. I think I'm gonna take one of those. Color changing slime. Ooh. Which other one? Which other one? Scented. The thing is, you guys wouldn't be able to smell this, so I think I'm gonna take one of these. Ooh, there's some more here. No, I'm gonna take this one for sure. I like the color they're changing, or this slime. We are at the thrift store, and I am looking for books, which is my go-to. You guys already know books. Fell asleep. Oh, my baby. He's getting too big, guys. He's soon not gonna fit into the shopping carts here, because these shopping carts are a little smaller. But yeah, I'm just trying to look for some books, trying to find the best one. One likes Minions, no more, I guess. This 1, 2, and 3. This one looks so cute. Aww. When I was little, my mom used to take me to the thrift store. This was the deal. What about you, babe?
All the time.
All the time. We will come to this all the time. Like, oh my gosh.
I remember this. Oh.
The airplane?
Channel 11.
Oh yeah. Oh.
She looked these up.
Ew. They have a lot of cute stuff too. I don't know why these little dolls are so cute to me. With the hair. They have more. They don't have clothes. Aww. Uy. This one had a makeover. Is it strawberry shortcake? Oh, it is. She has messy hair. Oh, look. Pobrecito. Ay, pobrecito. Pobrecito, Tommy. Oh jeez. Who's this? Oh, I'm sorry. Let's see this one. Oh, it looks so cute. Ooh, there's a Rex plush over there. Pooh Bear. Barney, I had you once. Ooh, a pet shop. Pobrecitos. All the toys end up. Little stuff woke up. Oh, the old cool Happy Meals back in the day. You guys see that? This was McDonald's was all about. I remember they used to have decorations like inside. Now it's all modern and great and colorful for kids. No fun. Oh, that's cute. Jesus, if you guys, oh my god, you guys should know that at home Stefan has like over 5 masks. Why does it look so dark? So guys, it's totally the next day, but we just wanted to do a little haul of what we got in the store. And Sophie's actually gonna do the haul because since she didn't go with us to the store, she's the one that's gonna see everything that's in the bag. So let's do the little haul, Sophie. Okay.
They got socks.
They're for you.
Thank you. We got this. What is this called?
A light, neon light.
Neon script.
A neon script.
It was for sale, by the way, guys. $5.99.
This Nickelodeon slime.
That is for you.
This
Covers.
for the bed.
Mm-hmm.
And another Nickelodeon slime.
Mm-hmm.
And the bag.
And the bag is new?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you think about the slime? You knew it was coming?
No.
No? See it and tell us what you think. Look at it and tell us what you think. Be more excited, please.
I wasn't expecting it, but when
I'm excited, you guys. I am excited. Look at this. It's
No,
color
no.
changing. Color changing. Yes, you didn't even look at the boxes. Look at them. Look at them. These are all the different types you can make.
whoa, you could do
Unicorn poop.
Sticky unicorn poop, unicorn slime,
Can you wait, papá? Eso es de tu hermana, papi.
or you could do unicorn original slime.
Mm. And then, a ver, vamos a enseñar a tu hermana porque eso es de ella.
This child change color in your hands, or like when you
Look at me.
put your hand, like when you extend the slime and you put your hand, like it'll change color.
I don't know.
That everything you need.
Guys, if you want to see these, they are going to be in her channel. We haven't done them, but they are going to be in her channel. So you guys should definitely subscribe to their channel. ¿Ese eres tú? ¿Ese no es Nene? No.
Cool. Here it
Oh,
is.
so many Instagram posts.
Post.